back to my YouTube channel. So for those who are new here, my name is Mills and I usually share a bit of travel content as well as lifestyle. So in this vlog, this is a Mexico vlog and I split it into two. So one part is Cancun and the other part is Tulum. So while in Cancun, we slept at a hotel called The Hive. I like this particular hotel because it was very accessible and I was near very many tourist attractions, and also it was quite affordable. I also like this hotel because they included breakfast, even if the breakfast was a little bit light, like just, some tea, fruits, pastries, nothing too much, but it was just fine because when you're traveling a lot, especially in the morning, you don't want to eat too much if you're going to be doing some tourist activities and walking up and down. So day one out here in Cancun, and for today we are going to spend the whole day at Enea Beach Club. So we just downloaded an app that the locals advise. It's called Didi. It's an app that locals use, so it's more affordable than Uber. And so we ordered it. So in 5 minutes, it's going to pick us up, and then we'll be heading out to Enea Beach Club. Super excited. So Enea Beach Club actually has day passes that we're able to get. So it comes all inclusive, like food and drinks, all like in the day pass. And on top of that, comes about 113. So I really hope it's going to be worth it. So yes, super excited. Cancun, here we come. Yay! So on day 2, we woke up bright and early to go and check out the Cancun sign. So this is like a colorful sign. It's just besides the road and people usually stand here, take some pictures with the Cancun sign. And the fun thing about this sign is right behind it there's a beach, so you can walk down at the beach, have a good time, relax a bit, and then you're able to take it all in. Although I recommend going super early in the morning or late in the evening. Hey guys, so day 2 in Cancun here. We just got ready earlier on in the morning. We stepped out and went all the way to the Cancun sign, and it was quite interesting because it's one of those places you have to go in the evening if you want to get like bright colored pictures. However, when you go in the evening, there's going to be a super long line, and if you don't want to wait that long, it's recommended you come in the morning. But we went in the morning, but the sun was on the opposite side of the Cancun sign, so we weren't able to get the most clear pictures, but we got what we could. We will try to edit and just work with that, and then we came back to the hotel, took a bath, changed, freshened up, and now we're going all the way to Puerto, Puerto Juarez, where we are going to go to Isla Mujeres and spend the whole day there. We're taking a day trip. And it's quite interesting, it's quite exciting. I'm looking forward. Actually the island is supposed to have very beautiful water, super blue water, so we're excited for the amazing pictures in that water and all the fun stuff. So day 2, here we come. Woohoo! Okay, so the best way to get to Isla Mujeres is to take a Didi from your hotel to Puerto Juarez, and then once at Puerto Juarez, you go to Altrama and get a round-trip ticket from the port to Isla Mujeres, and then they will bring you back from Isla Mujeres back to the port where you'll get a Didi and go back to your hotel. So the round-trip fare for going onto this ferry was $30 per person, and so we paid that and were able to get into the ferry to go to Isla Mujeres. Isla Mujeres basically means island of women in Spanish, and the island itself is quite beautiful. The total island itself is just about 4.3 miles, so it's small enough for you to explore. So most people decide to explore the island using either golf cart, or you can decide to walk, but then if you walk, you're not going to get to places as fast as you can, and so you might not maximize your experience at spaces. So upon arrival, we were quite hungry, so we decided to have an early lunch at a very beautiful spot right near the Puerto. We're at a restaurant, it's called Coco Restaurant and Beach Bar in Isla Mujeres. Yeah, a quick tip is, like, when you come, of course there's going to be so many people trying to rent you like golf carts, scooters and all that stuff, but this place, for instance, is just a 3-minute walk from the port. So if you're renting like a golf cart, it's not necessary, you know what I mean? So you can just take a quick walk from the port to a Coco Restaurant, because we're a bit hungry and, you know, craving Mexican food. Of course, when you're in Mexico, you have to eat some Mexican food. So we're doing steak quesadillas, and then I'm doing a margarita because, you know, of course, we're on holiday, we have to drink some alcohol. So yeah, gracias. Sure. So I'm going to have this. I just ordered a classic margarita with a salt. So yeah, but yeah, so for the food, we're just doing fries, steak quesadilla. Yeah, something a bit light, because we're going to keep walking around the island. We'll go to like a beach club, a day beach club, have some fun. Actually, they're now playing some mariachi music, so I'm going to have to stop recording for now, but cheers. It's arrived and it looks already super delicious, like before you taste it. So a few minutes walk from the Coco Restaurant and Bar was a very fun beach club that we ended up going and hanging out at. So the beach club was called Kanab. It was very fun. So I like the fact that it wasn't crowded and there were not too many people here. I think it being the holiday also helped. There were not as many crowds, and so we're able to just take our time, hang out here, have a few drinks, and, you know, just take in the moment. It's a fun spot and I highly recommend it if you're ever passing by Isla Mujeres. Okay, so after spending some time at the beach bar, hanging out, we're able to take a short walk, have some fresh fruits, and then eventually we took a golf cart to go to Punta Sur. So Punta Sur is one of those tourist spots that you don't want to miss when you come to this island. It's basically on the farthermost point of the island, and it's known for having these dramatic cliffs that are overlooking the Caribbean Sea, beautiful sunrise views and sunset views, as well as the sculpture gardens. And basically it has the remains of the Mayan temple, and of course it's dedicated to their goddess with a very complicated name, but then I'll put it on the screen. So it's a beautiful spot for you to just be able to go there, appreciate the culture, soak in the views. It's super amazing, and you're able to, you know, just experience this. So if you want to see more of the sculptures further down, you do have to pay an extra fee. I think it was about $6, but it was so worth it because, you know, this is more like a once in a lifetime kind of thing. So you just want to make the most of it and have a good time while at it. Dinner booked at Funky Geisha. So this is a beautiful restaurant and it's located at the Bohemian Square. So Bohemian Square is in the Cancun hotel zone. It's a very beautiful place and there's very popular art here. So the art is set up by a South African artist called Daniel Popper, and this artwork is basically called True Nature. But it's very, very beautiful. Like, the videos don't even do it justice. It's basically like a sculpture that represents the connection between humans and nature, and it has become like one of the most popular Instagrammable places in Cancun. So we hung out a little bit here, took some videos. It was a little bit rainy, but you know, yeah, no one can stop reggae, so we're able to still have a good time and experience it. And yeah. Dinner at Funky Geisha, I highly recommend you get a reservation because it can be quite busy. We were here much earlier on in the day because, you know, we're trying to take some pictures and videos, and if you come later in the night, you're just not able to appreciate or to get as much, you know, good content with good lighting. But yeah, that's why you can see, you know, it's mostly empty, but yeah, you know, we're still able to have a good time, relax, and yeah, get some videos and the content we needed for the trip. Hey guys, so it's been an awesome 4 days in Cancun. Day one, we were able to do the Hyatt Beach Club, which was absolutely amazing. The Naya Beach Club, we spent like the whole day there, just a relaxing day after like a very stressful travel day. Then the following day, we did a day trip to Isla Mujeres and did a couple of fun stuff there. And then yesterday we were touring downtown Cancun. We did dinner at Funky Geisha, and we're like at the Bohemian Square, just, you know, taking in the vibes, having a good time. And then today we're checking out of our hotel in Cancun, which is the Hive. As you can see behind, it's the Hive. And then we're heading to Tulum. So we ordered a car. Between Cancun and Tulum is a 2-hour drive, so we're going to take a bus. So we ordered an Uber ride from the hotel to the bus station, and then we're going to take the bus, and then yeah, then we'll be in Tulum. So the next time I check in with you guys, it will be in Tulum. Bye.